Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Wednesday, after our celebration of Jesus Christ, King of the universe, last Sunday and every year of the liturgical year, we offer this Holy Eucharist this Wednesday as a special prayer for our persecuted brothers and sisters who until now would suffer the effects of embracing and of working much for the faith. And such, let us join our thoughts and our prayers for them and be inspired by their courage and by their lives. But my dear brothers and sisters, we do not only pray for them, but we look up to them as our inspiration and model. Namamangha tayo sa kanila hindi dahil sila ay pumiling mabuhay ng nagpakasasa sa madaming luho ng buhay. Hindi sila nagpakalunod sa madaming mga pagpupuri sa kanila. Pero sila ay nagpursigi sa buhay na ito. It is no cup of tea nor a bed of roses to be a Christian, to be a follower of Jesus. But it takes perseverance, as Jesus said in today's gospel. They were once, or they are until now, led before higher ranks of men and women who would not want a Jesus for their lives. Their families were in a way distant from them because they chose to be a follower of Jesus rather than experiencing comfort. People were not praising them, but nonetheless, they were trying to soothe them and their lives. And we have beautiful readings today to remind us that God rewards those who persevere and not those who would just be lack or would experience lacks in their life. In today's first reading from the book of the prophet Daniel, we heard how King Belshazzar gave a plenteous banquet to his party, to thousands of lords. Nagpakasasa sa inumin, hindi na ginalang ang anumang para sa Diyos, hindi na ibinigay ang mga karapat-dapat para sa bawat isa. Nagpakasasa, nagpakalunod sa luho, kaya nakita nila na hindi matatapos ang buhay sa panayluho, kundi natapos ang buhay sa hustisya ng Diyos, na hindi magtatagal ang kanilang kakaharian, kundi ang mamamayani Diyos lamang at wala ng iba. Let this story remind us, my dear brothers and sisters, that for those who chose to live luxurious lives, those who would keep on hating God, for those who would keep on persecuting those good men and women with a heart to confess and struggle in teaching the faith, would not have the last word. Hindi pagpupursigi ang mga bagay na iyan, kundi paninira sa pananampalataya sa Diyos at sa mga nagtatrabaho para sa ating Panginoon. It is perseverance for the faith, that even though there are haters, there will be those people who would not want us or would dislike us. We keep on going. We keep on pushing through this goal to let Jesus be known, to persevere with all our thoughts, words, and actions. Ang binibiyayaan ng Diyos ang mga nagpupursigi at hindi ang mga nagpapakapetiks-petiks o mga nagpapakasarap lamang sa buhay na ito. Hindi po sa kanila ang huling halakhak. na sa mga taong nagsisikap, na sa mga taong nagpupursigi, doon magliliwanag ang hustisya ng Diyos at ang pagpapala ng Diyos ay mapapasa kanila sa buhay na ito.